Welcome to Running Deer Outdoors. I'm Zach. Today we're going to do petroleum jelly cotton balls. So stay tuned, hang out, let's get to it. Alright, first things first, you need a container. I use chew cans. I chew Copenhagen. If you don't have chew cans, you can use any other container or just ask a buddy if he's got any of these hanging around. The next thing you need is some petroleum jelly and a handful of cotton balls. So let's open up our chew can, make sure everything's out. You can take a cotton ball, smear it around in there. It'll look like that. And what's going to happen is it's going to wick that petroleum jelly up like it's a candle. And it'll keep going and burn off that petroleum jelly. So let's get this filled up and we'll get back to you. So there you go. Quick, easy petroleum jelly cotton balls. Ready to go. Throw it in your bag. But for now, I'm Running Deer Outdoors. If you're going to laugh, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, send it to your buddies. We'll catch you guys later.